Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Today's sadly our last day.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's back to reality, but before then, we are going to have an adventure on Nassau, something we've never done before, so follow along. After that intro, roll that intro.
I just wanna see the light.
So, we're doing a walking tour. It's guided. We don't know if it's going to be narrated and guided, or they're just going to walk us around. I would guess it would be narrated. But we'll find out. So, we have probably like an hour before we have to be down on the pier. So, hey, we shot a little B-roll time-lapse-y coming into the port, so we'll insert that here. Enjoyed that. We'll see you guys in a second. Look, it's the Disney magic and the Norwegian Encore. Ah, the Disney magic. We've actually been on this ship. We don't have a video of it yet, but sometime. We were supposed to go on the Encore, but haven't quite made it yet. All right, guys, we're pre-starting our tour. We're starting to walk up there. Just thought I'd give you a few views on the way up. This is going to be narrated. We do have earpieces, so I'll be filling you guys in along the way. Got Beth and Devin. Kind of a better view of the Carnival Liberty. Alrighty, we're officially beginning the tour, guys. So this is Rotten Square, guys. This is their government is right here in front of us, like the Parliament building. There is a national flag of the Bahamas. Right there. And right here. Kind of see it. It's black, gold, and aqua, guys. Not blue.
They get offended if you say it's blue and we're turquoise.
Hey, we're going to Gucci. The street is May Street. It's the main street that goes across Nassau. They said it's so narrow because it was meant for horses and buggies, not cars. So she's saying that aqua license plates are locals, yellow is like rental cars, and then red is government. Kind of some fishies in the wall there. She said taxis could go from $1 to $10, depending on who you ask. Chinese restaurant. This is definitely local, guys. Apparently gas here is $5.31. Look, there's Devin. Oh, they have steering wheels on both left and right here. She was saying the coldest it gets here is like about 60 degrees. She said a few weeks ago they had temperatures down into the 50s here. Oh my goodness. Princess Margaret Hospital? Public hospital in the Bahamas. Kind of makes sense because this is probably one of the biggest islands. This is the Queen's Staircase. 66 steps tall. Kind of a neat little area. Limestone walls on either side. About to do a step challenge, guys. Oh, there's like a waterfall. The waterfall's not natural. It's man-made, but it looks pretty though. This is an escape portal. This goes all the way down to the port. We're doing it! Going up the 66 steps, but then we gotta come back down. But I figure down will probably be easier. It's the Queen's Staircase. We totally made it, but oh my goodness. We made it for the sign, I guess. I think maybe going down is more terrifying than up. How was that, Devin? You made it up and down like a spider monkey. It wasn't bad.
No.
Just kind of, it seems scarier on the way down. It's steep. So there's 66 steps, but one is covered. So there's only technically 65. So that seems better, right? This is Fort Wren Castle. This is a water tower constructed in 1893, I think. This is the new U.S. Embassy being built here in the Bahamas. Kind of the other side of the U.S. Embassy being built. Apparently this was started under Barack Obama. This is their police station. It's green and white. All of their police stations are green and white. I guess they color code things here in the Bahamas. We're still going here, guys. Looks like we're heading back towards the ship. That pub kind of looks like the Red Fox over in Wales. It's a Magna Carta Court. Ooh, used to be a bakery. This is a tamarind tree. This building used to be the first prison in the Bahamas, but it is now a public library. One of the largest libraries out of 5 in the Bahamas. You know it's a government building because it's pink. Color codes. This is the Garden of Remembrance. She was saying that after World War II, we tried to colonize the Bahamas, so we took over a fort for a day or two, but the British took it back from us. So she said, for a day or two, they can almost be American. They're saying that they have a good relationship with Cuba. They import tobacco, chocolate. This is Parliament Square. This is the Senate building. This is the House of Assembly. These are actually elected officials. This is the Supreme Court building. She said all their judges wear the traditional wigs and gowns for court. That'd be kind of cool to see. All right, guys, we'll wrap it up on the ship. Just a quick little walking tour. We'll give you our final thoughts and stuff when we get back to the ship. It was fun. Not exactly what we anticipated, but you know, you got to see us like almost die going up 65 steps. So anyway, we'll wrap it up when we get back to the room. All right, warping back to the ship in our favorite little spot here. Wrapping up the Nassau Walking Tour. What did you think, Beth?
I can say I've done it once and I don't need to do it again.
Yeah, this is kind of like the botanical garden thing.
First of all, the tour guide used earpieces that weren't the easiest to hear with, and when we walked over by the hospital, we got a lot of interference, so we had a lot of difficulty hearing them. And if you have any hearing difficulties, it might not be the best tour for you.
What did you think of the, I guess, locations we visited? Because to me, I think I was expecting something more. Like, I had a romantic version of what hidden places in Nassau would be. The stairs were cool. That was the one highlight.
The Queen's Staircase was neat, and I haven't seen that before. Like, the area leading to the Queen's Staircase was very beautiful. And the fountain, I expected something picture-worthy at the top of the stairs, and all there is a sign saying Queen's Staircase. And traffic.
Yeah, it's kind of like up by the edge of the hospital, and then the fort entrance is up there too. I thought the staircase was beautiful. I love the fact that we learned that was like a little escape hatch thingy down to the port in case they got invaded, they could escape down the hill. That's kind of neat. I wish that maybe there was like a little bit more of a payoff at the top of the stairs versus just like the sign. The sign was cool. It was a picture spot. I mean, maybe in the normal times when the fort's open, you actually go to the fort from when you get up the stairs, but we didn't. We just turned around and went back down the stairs. Overall, it seemed a little fast-paced. I know she had to cram a lot into a little bit of time. I'm glad we did the earlier one as well because it's at midday sun here in the Caribbean, well, this is the Bahamas, was beat you down hot, so...
And it's fairly humid today also.
Definitely humid. Other than that, don't really think that I would do this tour again. We wanted to go to the Hard Rock, but apparently all the Hard Rocks in the Caribbean are closed because of COVID. They closed in 2020, I believe, so they haven't reopened. That's kind of a bummer. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. We have one more video of the series coming out here. If you guys made it this far, you just learned a spoiler alert. We're going to do a wrap up of our thoughts of Royal. Anyway, We also have a coffee page. The coffee page should be linked here. It's just a virtual tip jar, kind of helps out the channel. Also, we do have merch. We are wearing the merch today. That should be linked down below in a link, as well as there's a tray below the video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.